All right, so we went ahead and set the track record again. Every single race we've been faster and faster and faster, and we set the track record. I'll go ahead and show you what it is. 13.2. The AEM data doesn't lie. What's going on, guys? So race weekend update. We went ahead and broke our track record that we set last year, the STU class track record. We broke it yesterday by about 0.4 of a second. It was a little greasy in the afternoon. We expected to go a little bit faster, but the new surface is a little slick when the sun comes out, so it's a little greasy and we weren't able to lay down the fastest lap time that we kind of predicted. But we were able to go ahead and lay down a pretty good solid lap time and beat our previous track record and the class track record. So awesome, won the race, of course. Obviously, if you're beating track records, you're pretty fast gonna win the race. So car looks good. So here's the AEM setup. This is the CD-7 dash. They also have the X series gauges here for oil pressure and our wideband. And then I have this 4-port can hub that they helped me out with, and that's going to go ahead and actually be a splice block for everything. So that connects the dash to the gauges and to the vehicle dynamics module, which is right down here. So that monitors your roll, pitch, yaw, GPS data, all that stuff. Gives you your lap time. So we just change that screen. You can see. So you can see that's our new track record there, 113. Pretty freaking accurate. It's pretty awesome, especially to get that live feedback while you're driving. You can go ahead and see, you know, am I going faster? If I went through that corner a little bit differently, did it get more speed through that corner? Did it go ahead and carry me into a faster lap? You know, it's really helpful. So, but yeah, 4-port can hub, made everything wiring this in a breeze. Really awesome. They've got some of my own wiring back there for the main electronics, but yeah, all in all, really happy with how the CD-7 dash works and the logging features and all the data I'm getting off it. It's really impressive. Well, it looks like we got another track record. So it was struggling out there. That race, man, that was crazy with that Corvette. We were going side by side, turn after turn, around Swamp, which is a really fast corner. It's probably the fastest corner on the track. Going on the front straight, side by side, out braking each other. It was crazy. Finally got by them, but doing that, it just wore out my tires, and I didn't think I was going to be able to get the track record, but I did a nice cool down lap, got guy in the tire, get 2 to go. Went ahead, did a nice cool down lap, and I was able to go ahead and do one full on lap and put all the power down, put all my energy into that, and it paid off. So I think we knocked about 0.4 off our track record we set yesterday, so which is about almost a second faster than we were last year. So absolutely awesome. set a track record. All right, so we went ahead and set the track record again. Every single race we've been faster and faster and faster, and we set the track record. I'll go ahead and show you what it is. 13.2. The AEM data doesn't lie. It was super fast. Yeah, it was super fast. I can't believe it. And that feedback I was getting, I was on one of the last laps. I think it was the last lap that I got it on, and I went ahead and looked at the lap timer on this AEM dash on the CD7, and I saw, you know, I'm 3/10 up, and I was like, oh man, I gotta keep it together and get it through the rest of this lap. And I did, and came across that start-finish line, and yeah, we set another record this weekend. It's just been a record-breaking weekend for us. Every single session we've broken the record, more and more, driven it deeper, and set that benchmark higher and higher. So big shout out to AEM, King, and Redline Oil for helping make this happen this year, and we'll see you guys next time. So I'll get a little debrief later, probably with some data or something.